How to fix your print not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. The very first thing you want to do is enable airplane mode for 60 seconds and wait. And then you can disable it. Now you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, open the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. Scroll all the way down, you will find the option of configure DNS, click on it. Check in for the option of manual. Over here you will find different DNS server. Clear all those. Click on add server and then type in 1.1.1.1. Click on save. Heading towards next solution, go to the main page of settings. Scroll down, open the option general. Scroll down, open the option VPN and device management. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. If you are connected to any VPN, just disconnect to it. Once you check this, head back, scroll down, click on the option transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset. Click on reset network settings. Enter your passcode over here and continue with the process. After you reset your network settings, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards last solution, you can force restart your iPhone. For that, press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, press and hold the side button. When the Apple logo appears, release the side button. Once you apply all these processes, your problem is definitely going to be fixed. So this is how you can fix your print not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.